Hello everyone. Did you know that your smartphones have well-hidden settings that collect information from all the apps you use and send it to developers on unknown servers to analyze how you use your smartphone and, based on that, at a minimum, send you various recommendations and ads? Moreover, I'll tell you that these settings are enabled by default on absolutely all smartphones. And besides collecting various information, they also drain your battery, constantly straining your RAM and processor. Your phone starts to slowly slow down because it's constantly exchanging data, exchanging information precisely when you're connected to some internet connection via Wi-Fi or mobile data. These settings are quite well hidden, and I'll show you where to find them now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, watch. To do this, you need to go to the standard settings. Click here and scroll down to find an item called Google. It might be called Google Accounts. Click here. Then look, the menu here can vary. For example, I have recommendations and all services. Some people don't have these recommendations. Basically, we don't need them anyway. Go to all services. Look here, and now scroll carefully. You need to find a setting called Personalization based on shared data. Click this line. And now you'll be surprised. All these sliders will be enabled. And by the way, each smartphone will have different apps here. For example, I have 5 sliders here. Some might have 7, 8, 10, while others might only have 3 or 2. Below, it's written very briefly. Well, in principle, you can look in more detail, but everything is already clear in that it says here that we allow Google Apps to use data on the device to supposedly make Android better. So ask yourself, well, how will Android be any better if it collects information about your actions on your smartphone? And why should I send personal information, God knows where, God knows who? Look, it's all very simple. Location access, that is, determination via GPS in stealth mode, even when your GPS is turned off. Well, and of course, data exchange. If this setting is enabled, then wherever you are, you will have constant tracking of your specific location. Well, you may have noticed that you pass by some establishment, and the internet shows that you are nearby. In general, I turn this off, of course. Gmail is again your email, your accounts, everything you send to someone, again, is sent to someone else. In general, we also turn off Google Chrome. This is if you are looking for something in browsers. Again, why would anyone know what I enter into my browsers? In general, we also turn it off. But here it is generally very interesting. Contacts on the device. So imagine you're wondering where other people's phone numbers come from. Well, I think everyone has had calls from unknown numbers. And of course, in most cases, it's scammers on the other line. So, of course, I turn that off. And also external storage. This especially applies to your flash drives, your memory cards, and basically your phone's internal memory. Everything you store. That means access to basically everything. All your files, all your audio, video, or whatever else you store on your smartphone. So, we turn everything off here. Firstly, your phone will work better, faster, and its battery will drain faster, plus you'll be freed from all the tracking from all those apps. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.